What was that? Can't do that at home. I've lost a song and a cat. Here we go. Got the cat back. Didn't see that one coming. Back to salt water. Right to play, isn't it? There, back again. Go to the bone. Want to know how that goes up on camera. Stick your freaking camera in a hole as a window and the big storm turn up and sticking window blows. Lucky, not injured. Pretty good. It's only on the beach anyway. Oh, well, see what that footage comes out like. You might like it. Like I was saying, lucky these cameras are waterproof, eh? Woo!